yesterday, what we were discussing this arrange these things.
Mm-hmm.
Align is over. Rotate is
Yes.
also over. Rotate, I think we discussed already. There is one. Okay, let me do something here.
Sir, I want to record.
Yeah, tell me. Record. Okay, 1 minute. I will give you access. Okay, you can start recording now. Okay. See now.
Yes, sir.
Rotate. No, actually we were in home tab. Then in home tab we have this arrange. Okay, this one we already discussed. More rotation option. Okay, next we have very important thing like hidden thing. We don't use much, but it is useful. Okay, I will tell you the use of selection plan. Okay, selection pane. Here we have selection pane. Okay, so here, for example, I will make multiple copies of this one. Okay, like I'll make all blocks like this.
Yes, sir.
I'm making with equal spacing. This time I selected 3, then I just put. But see, I want to keep this one with equal spacing, so I can align properly. I select everything like this. Then I arrange, align, horizontal. So see how nicely arranged. Now again I'll make 2 more rows like this. I'm just selecting everything and dragging by selecting Control and Shift. Okay, like this. When I drag here, I can see some kind of guidelines there. So that will indicate the alignment is perfect. Okay, so one more time I drag like this. When you are practicing, you will experience that alignment, like lines, guidelines. Now we have how many elements? Many elements. All these elements are listed here. See, rectangle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All it is like in Photoshop we have layers.
Yes, sir.
Layers. Yeah, this is
Layers, sir, layers. I worked on layers also.
just like layers, but here the name is different. Selection pane. Okay, so for example, if I select this one, this is highlighted. See this one. Also, if you select from here, you can just click here. That particular object will be selected like this, okay. And if you want to name, change the name, you can just double click and give your name.
It is same as layers. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes. Sometimes it is useful. For example, you see when there are many elements, okay, sometimes it is difficult to find where it is. So by giving the name, for example, you are working like some coloring project, maybe bird or something. So you have parts like eyes, nose, those things. Then if you have difficulty for each shape, you give a name like nose, okay, cheek, teeth, like that. Then you don't need to struggle by selecting in a small area. You can just select that one, click that one here in the selected pan. That will be selected. Then you can change the other things like why we select we to change the color or size or to apply some kind of effects. We select. So it will help you to select the things properly. Okay, this is about selection pane. Okay, so here sometimes we want to hide something, so just click here, then see this one selected. I click here, so I can hide that one. Sometimes you need to do this one also. Okay, but there is another usage here. For example, this one, above this there are many elements, like maybe I draw one more thing. Okay, so sometimes I may find difficulty in selecting. See, if I select like this, I don't know which one selected. See, but I can see here which one selected. You will see some kind of highlight. Where it is showing? This vowel 30. Okay, so but if you want to lock, for example, this one, see, the rectangle 13 selected.
Hmm.
If you don't want to move and if you want to place this one in proper position and if you don't want to apply any settings, you can lock the layer. Select like this, then lock. So when you are trying to select, this will not select because it's locked. Only other things
Yes,
will be selected. So when there are elements above one another, like one by one in stack order, you can lock particular elements by pressing this button. This is lock button. Okay. This is about selection pane. Now let's move to the next topic. So we are in home tab, then yeah, here. Okay, there are some more options in select. I explained selection pane, but there is one more option, select all. If you want to select everything, you can just press select all, everything will be selected. But usually we don't do like this. There is a shortcut, Control A.
Hmm.
No need to write, just remember, because very simple. All means all, the first
Control
one
A,
is
huh?
all. Control is
Huh.
common key for shortcut. So
Yes, sir.
Control A. Okay. This is common shortcut for any software. Okay. Then what we have next? Select objects. See, here, actually, this one they gave as a whole product. But this one not much useful in PowerPoint because in PowerPoint we can select anything easily. It is not
Hmm.
necessary to use this tool. But this tool will be useful when you are working with the objects in Microsoft Word. I'll just go to Word and I'll tell you how to. But in PowerPoint, it is not useful because there is no need of that one. We can select easily. See, for example, here I draw, this is Word document. So I draw something here.
Hmm.
Okay. So again, I draw something else. Okay. Okay. See, it is easy to select here also, but sometimes in Word, when we use, especially we use text wrap options, it is difficult to select when there's more text. It is difficult to select the objects. So that time, see, you see the cursor, now it is like text. You see that I is there.
Ah, yes, sir.
I indicates text selection. Okay. But if you want to select any object, you can select like this, but sometimes it doesn't work properly. So for that, they have given option here, home. Then in editing, it will be there. In editing, select objects. So here it is useful. So the cursor turns into arrow, not like text icon. You see the text, the cursor became like arrow. Earlier it was not
Mm-hmm.
arrow, it was like text icon. So if we
Yes,
get
sir.
this one, we can easily select the object and move like this. So this is a use of this that one, but in PowerPoint, not necessary. Okay. So next we have, okay, this is over. Create and share Adobe PDF. Just by clicking this one, it is asking to save the file first. Okay, let's save. It is saving in documents. See, this one
Mm-hmm.
is, whenever you save file, you should be very careful where you are sharing. Okay,
Yes,
where
sir.
you are saving. So it is in documents. So I just give name like create save. Actually, it is asking before converting into PDF, you must save this file as PowerPoint. Then you can save like that. So that's why first I gave the name. Then second, it gave another box to save the PDF. So save. Yeah. So I got the PDF. This is PDF file. So like this, we can create the PDF. The use of PDF file, usually when we design something like flyer or any advertisement, usually we don't send the PowerPoint file. For the people or for printing, we convert into PDF. We send
Okay.
that PDF file for printing or for distribution, or we convert into JPEG format, then we send that file. So PowerPoint file only for us for editing files. Okay. Next we have dictate. See, dictate, see, this one, if you read, it will type. Okay. So whenever you have long content, you don't need to type. Just read, it will type. Let's test. Okay, I am placing cursor in text box. Okay. So I choose dictate. Can you read something? See, you also read, say something. I'm not typing. I'm not typing.
Okay.
Okay, you also
Can
say.
you read something? See, you also read faces, not typing. I don't know. What is this, sir?
Maybe it is not catching from the speaker or mic. Only
What you are saying, it is typing.
okay. You try now. You say my name is Sumika. Tell me.
Okay. My name is Sumi Kamra.
Okay,
No, sir, it is not catching. It
okay,
is
it's okay.
catching your voice.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. So see, this is the use. Okay, when you want to type something, whenever you are feeling like you are not in a mood to type. Okay? So just dictate it. It will type for you. It will type for you.
It will die for you. There
Yeah,
will be so much mistake if we will
yeah.
say like
Actually,
this.
see our this this dictate option designed based on the US English. Okay, so in
Mm-hmm.
English sounds little differently. So sometimes it
Mm-hmm.
don't understand properly. So because of that reason,
Yes.
we cannot hear properly. But we have to see carefully where there is a mistake. We have to type again. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is a use of dictate. Okay. Then dictate, we have some options here to change the country, region style. Okay, let's keep. Okay, Telugu also here. See, Telugu also here. I will speak something in Telugu now. నా
Okay.
పేరు ప్రవీణ్ రా. Okay, I need to select this one. నా పేరు ప్రవీణ్ రాగి. ఇట్ ఈస్ నా సరిగ్గా టైప్ చేయడం లేదు. ఇది మాత్రం సరిగ్గా ఉంది. Okay.
ఇది మాత్రం
సరిగ్గా ఉంది. యాక్చువల్లీ ద ఫస్ట్ సెంటెన్స్ సరిగ్గా టైప్ చేయడం లేదు. నా పేరు సరిగ్గా టైప్ చేయలేదు బికాస్ దట్ ఈస్ నాట్ మేబీ దట్ ఈస్ నాట్ in
dictionary.
or my pronunciation little understand differently for that. Okay,
Okay.
so instead of when I say Praveen Ragi, it is taking like
Mhm.
Ra. It's sounds like that. Okay, okay, so
Hmm.
it's type the first sentence mean na సరిగ్గా టైప్ చేయడం లేదు means it is not typing correctly. ఇది మాత్రం సరిగ్గా ఉంది.
Hmm.
This is fine now. Okay, so like this even Hindi you can try when you want to say when you want to type something and even for presentations just put the cursor, choose dictate and try. Okay, let's try Hindi now because Hindi is useful for dictate. Sure. नमस्कार, मेरा नाम प्रवीण रागी. Your name is okay. Okay, yeah, it is typing. Okay, okay. Now I'll stop dictating. Okay, it's typing perfectly. No problem. Okay, so let's delete these things. Okay, so you can use to dictate and type automatically. No need to type with your fingers. Okay. Now next, this is very very important. Designer. Okay. So let's try this one. For example, see, I'll go to Word. Okay. I need some random text for designing. Okay. So for practice or for anything purpose, when you are teaching students, you need some kind of text. Instead of typing random words, you can do like this. Is equal to rand, then how many paragraphs you want. For example, I want 3 paragraphs. Then how many lines in paragraph should be there? 5. Then when I press enter, see the magic. Some random content. I don't know what is it is, but it generates automatically. Okay, some meaningful
From
sentence.
where it picked up?
Just okay. This is Microsoft Word. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, let's try in PowerPoint also. Maybe it will work because in Word I was using. But for that, you need to go to home. You need to go to insert, then text box. Okay, draw like this. Okay, RAND means rand, like a random text. Rand. Okay, then first is equal to should be there. Okay, then is equal to, then open bracket, then you decide how many paragraphs should be there in that box. Okay, let's type 2. Then how many lines should be there in each paragraph? Let's type 5. Then close, enter.
Okay.
It's coming.
Yes,
I
sir.
typed 5 lines, but it is not taking 5 because of the width, text box width. So it doesn't matter, you will get something. So if I reduce this one, you will get the text. Okay. So let's try more text. Is equal to brand 5. So okay, I got this information. Okay. So I got everything here. I place here. Okay. Then I will put some picture here. For example, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. So it is something related to a story. Fox. Okay. I just make this one like justify. Will justify. Then I'll put one photo here. Photo of the fox. Okay. Then I go to
Yes,
insert, then picture. Then I go to stock images, because whatever we place in the PowerPoint, there should be some kind of relative like relation. What is showing there, text that related picture should be there. Okay, so fox. So I put this picture. Okay, insert. Okay, now I place this one here. Okay, now I have space here, so I want to put one more picture, but align it properly like this. Okay, I will put one more picture, insert, picture, stock images. To keep the same width, what we can do, we just see the width. Select here, then in picture format, we will see the width. This is how much, 11.3 centimeter. So click here, hide the same width, 11.3. Okay. But sometimes if it is changing only width, okay, you need to go to settings. For example, go to format picture, then
yes, sir.
go here to this size tab, then click here size, then enable this one, lock aspect ratio. If you change width, height also will be changed according to the width, like proportionate. Otherwise, what will happen? It will change like this or like this. Only width or height will be changed. But since this lock aspect ratio already enabled, we got the perfect picture in the same size. So I'll keep here. Okay, I'll keep here. Okay. Now let's see. See, whenever you are designing, you must see the gap between the elements. So here, how much space I used. So here, from the center, the same space I used. From the top, how much space is used. From bottom also, you must use same space for better look. Okay. See, now I go to design tab. Okay, designer. So here I will get automatic designs based on my content. Okay, so it is in home tab, designer button. When you click that one, your information, your plain information, what I did here, I did not do anything. I put text, then I place 2 photos. This only any person can do. Okay, this is not designing, just placing the information. For example,
Yes,
from
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
the customer also, we get plain content. Okay, I want to have some kind of
Right.
design. You design it like that. So as a designer, we do. But here, this designer tab helping us to make the design easily. Okay, so let's try. Click this one. See, so that paragraph
Mm-hmm.
turned into like this. Then this one, like this, like this, like
Yes,
this.
sir.
Okay, then yeah, for now we got only these options. But sometimes we get more. Okay, so when you scroll down, load more designs, it will come. But sometimes it doesn't. Okay, so like this, you can mainly it will give like infographics. Okay, so this is the use of infographics. Okay, see, let's try different, but it is like artificial intelligence automatically
Mm-hmm.
generate anything. Okay, since I place this one like this, it's coming like this. Now let's try with template. I go to new, then I open any existing project. For example, book print design. So I have this one. Okay. So okay. See agenda. This is there. This is there. Let's see how it turn into design. Let's click designer. Sorry, no design ideas for this slide. Learn more. Okay, it is not showing. Let's try other one. See here it is there. So for this, it is changing the designs. So first one is like this, like this, like this, like this. It's giving different ideas. See, here it is placing the pictures right side in the
Yes, sir.
boxes, and here you can put photos by adding by double clicking. Okay, this is very useful to
Mm-hmm.
ideas. Okay, sometimes it gives wonderful designs also. You can make use. Okay, then see whenever you start designing,
Yes, sir.
since you are designing from the blank layout, okay, usually what you do, you just make the shapes and draw. But we are in 2023. There are many designs available already. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
to make it fast, see, you can design, you learn how to do. Okay, but if you spend the time on designing what you know already, what you will get experience. But okay, once you get experience, it's okay, no need to design every time. Okay, you can just bring the elements from other presentations and add to your presentation. So that way you can save your time and you can finish the work fast and you can earn money because if you finish the project early, you will get more projects also. You will have more options. So what you can do when you start making presentation or any design or any software, you go here, then go to new. There are hundreds of templates. For example, education. Okay, just open anything. For example, this one. Okay, then just you copy the slide. Okay, then go to your presentation. For example, I take new. Okay, paste it here. See here, keep source formatting. So I got this one. Then change the title. Okay, whatever presentation you get from the customer. So just change the title and use it. It is not necessary to do. See, if you want to do these type of things, it will take a lot of time. But
Yes,
you should
sir.
know how to do. That is the reality. Okay. If you know how to do, you are the graphic designer, but you don't need to do every time from the scratch. Use the
Yes,
available
sir.
elements to save time and finish the project faster.
Hmm.
So now designer. Okay. Okay. So again in designer, when I come here, I'm getting different ideas. See, I copied that one. I put and
Mm-hmm.
I got different ideas. See like this.
Yes, sir.
See like this. It's
Hmm.
generated automatically.
Different designs are available.
Yes, yes. Yeah, this is like your new design now. You can start using it. It doesn't look like copied one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that's the advantage of designer and templates. Okay. We successfully completed the home tab. Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
let's go to the next one. Actually, next one is we have insert tab. Okay. Before that, let me go to the Word document. We'll go to the list of okay. So we completed this home tab. Okay. Next we have home insert tab. So regarding insert tab, let's continue discussing. Still we have 6 minutes time. Okay. We can do something. Okay.
Okay.
So here in insert tab, the first one is new slide. If you want to add more slide, just click here. That's all. You will get new slide with the same template, same design. Okay, then continue modifying. Okay. Then when you see down arrow, here you will have more options. What office theme you want with the new this one. So maybe this one. Okay. New slide with what design. So you can choose the option. Okay. Okay. Now what we have here,
Yes, sir.
office theme. So this is like plain, no design, but this one we don't use much. Then duplicate selected slide. So duplicate slide means see, when you select this one, when you do this one, duplicate selected slides, the same slide will be copied here with the same content. Okay, but there is a shortcut. You don't need to do. You don't need to go here and select duplicate slide. Press Ctrl Shift D. I am pressing Ctrl Shift D on my keyboard. This you can note down if you want. It is time saving tip. Ctrl Shift D. Control Shift D to duplicate the
Yes,
slide.
sir.
Okay. So next one. Okay, slides from outline. See, this one will take from template. Okay. We have some kind of presentation here. See, this is from the internet. Okay, so I got like some kind of template. Okay, so here, what will happen when I click slides from outline? See, outline means something like heading or side heading or side heading one, side heading two, side heading three, like that. When you see a book, you will see the contents page. What is there inside the book? Okay, so it is like that outline. Outline means main points. Okay, so let's click here. Then see slides from outline. See, it is asking us to attach a Word file. Okay, so for that, let's do that one. Okay, so I click here. I go to Word first. For that, I need a Word document. Okay, so this one I put. For that, I must do styles. I must apply the styles. Do you know about styles in Word? No problem. Let me explain. See, styles means a set of format settings. By default in computer it will be there, but we can change that settings. Okay, so that styles will be here in home tab styles. See, this is heading 1, so I choose heading 1. Play technotics is a heading 1. We are defining this heading, this text as a heading 1 in the system. Okay, so now, so lesson overview. So I paste here. This one I will define as heading 2. Okay, heading 2. So this one also I define as heading 2. I don't need to select. I just copy, paste. I don't need to select. I just put my cursor is there in that line. So everything in that line will be heading 2. Heading 2. Okay. Now let me save this one. Plate electronics. Yes, save. I save. Okay. Then I go to documents. So I'm saving in documents. Okay. Save. My file is ready. Okay. Somebody gave you a work. they put only outline, then you need to prepare the content and you need to make presentation. So they will give in Word. Okay. So now we have this one. Now I will, okay, I'll take new presentation. I press Control N to get the new presentation. Okay. I go to insert, then I take here slides from outline. Okay. So my documents is this one. Document is this one. Insert. Okay. Some error is there. PowerPoint can't open this one because it is using. Okay. See, I need to close the file before using here. So I close this one. Then I'll try again. New slide. Slide from outline. Okay. Insert. See what will happen now. See, that text from whatever is there in Word, it came here directly. Okay. Like
Yes,
some
sir.
points like that. Okay. But it should be like, the styles, you must apply there. Then only it will come. If you don't apply, it may not come properly. Okay. So that you need to very careful. You must apply whether heading 1 or heading 2 or paragraph like that. Okay. Then it will come here. Okay. I think that's all. Okay. We'll continue tomorrow. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.